Hi class 4, just following on from the last video that I did on division, I'm going to show you the next step of the division, so using the bus stop method. So it'll get a little bit more complicated today, but let's just see how we go, see if we can follow along. Okay, here I have got 585 divided by 5. So again, we are going to draw ourselves a bus stop, and we're dividing 585 by 5. So we're going to repeat the process that we did last week. Okay, I'm going to first of all look at our hundreds number. I'm going to say to ourselves how many 5s go into 5, so that would be 1. Now this is where it changes a little bit, so just watch carefully. I'm going to do a few examples and hopefully we'll get it by the end. Okay, the next number, we've used our 5, so we'll look at the next number. How many 5s go into our 8 here? Now I know that there is 1 5 that goes into 5. We can't have 2 lots of 5 because that would be 10, and we've only got 8. So 1 lot of 5 is 5. But actually we've got 8, haven't we? So if we've used 5 of those, that's 8. We've got some left over, haven't we? Okay. 1 lot of 5 is 5. But left over from that 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 3 left over because the difference between 5 and 8 is 3. So watch really carefully where I'm going to put the 3. The 3 that's left over from our 8, I'm going to put it here to carry it on to the next number. So if you now look, I've now made the number 35. Okay? We ask ourselves the question again. How many 5s go into 35? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 7 lots of 5 go into 35. So 585 divided by 5 would be 117. Okay. Right, let's have a look at another example. What we've got behind here. Okay. Big number. 987 divided by 7. So this time we're going to have to use our multiples of 7, our 7 times table. Okay, first step, looking at the first number, how many 7s go into 9? Well, I know that 1 lot of 7 is 7, 2 lots of 7 are 14, so we haven't got enough there, have we? We've only got enough for 1 lot of 7. So 1 lot of 7 is 7. But we've actually got 9, haven't we? So we're going to have some left over. 1 times 7 is 7, 8, 9. We've got 2 left over. So the 2 is going to go onto the next number. I can see there that we've made 28. Now, is 7 in our, is 28 a multiple of 7? 7, 14, 21, 28, it is. Okay, 4 lots of 7 are 28. Okay, so 7 times 4 makes 28, which is what we had here. And then we've got the last number. How many 7s go into 7? That's 1. So 987 divided by 7 would be 141. The next one we have got, I'm going to use our 6 times table. 972 divided by 6. Okay. Now you're fine, don't worry. Okay. Miss Brown was just making sure she was okay to make her dinner. I said she is. We'll let her eat. Right, 972 divided by 6. Okay, let's use our 6s. How many 6s go into 9? I know that 1 lot of 6 is 6, 2 lots of 6 are 12. We haven't got enough for 2 lots of 6, have we? So we're going to use 1 lot of 6, which is 6. But we had 9. So the difference between 6 and 9, 1 times 6 is 6. But the difference between the 6 and the 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 3. Right. We've made 37. Now I know that 6 doesn't go into 37, okay? So we've got to find the nearest number to 37 that our 6 would go into. Okay, so I know 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Well, we haven't got enough for 42, have we? Okay, we've got enough for 36 because we've got 37. 6 times 6 is 36, isn't it? So we've got enough there with our 37. So I'm going to do 6 times 6 is 36. We had 37, so we've got 1 left over, which will go into the next number. And then 6. How many 6s go into 12? I know that 2 times 6 is 12. That goes into that exactly, doesn't it? So 972 divided by 6 would be 162. Okay, are we following it? Should we try one more? Ooh, we've got 3s or 4s. Oh, shall we do both quickly? Okay. 729 divided by 3. That's what that would look like. Okay, let's look at the first number. How many 3s go into 7? Well, I know that 3 won't go into 7 exactly, will it? 3, 6, no, that's too many, isn't it? 3 lots of 6 is 9, we've only got 7. Let's try again. 3, 6. 2 lots of 3 is 6. We've got enough for that, haven't we? So 2 lots of 3. 2 lots of 3 is 6. We had 7, which means we've got 1 left over, haven't we? So we're going to put that onto the next number. And we've made the number 12. The 3's go into 12. Yes, they do. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 3's make 12. Does 3 go into 9? It does again, doesn't it? 3, 6, 9. 3 lots of 3 make 9. So 729 divided by 3 would be 243. Okay? Are we getting it? Hope we are. We'll have one more practice and then you can have a go at some of those by yourself. This time we've got a dividing by 4. 644 divided by 4. There's the bus stop, that's what it would look like. Okay. Remember that process? Look at the first number. How many 4's go into 6? 2 4's are 8. 1 lot of 4 is 4. We've got enough for 1 lot of 4. 1 times 4 is 4. We had 6, which means we have got 2 left over. 4, 5, 6. Okay, that goes with that. Now, is 24 a multiple of 4? Counting 4's, do we get to 24? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. We do. There are 6. There are 6 4's in 24. So there's 6 goes up there. And look at the last number. We've got 4 left. How many 4's go into 4? 1 times 4 is 4. So 644 divided by 4 would be 161. Okay, so that is the next step to the bus stop. So when we carry over these ones that are left over, okay, and we're using our times tables to have a go at that. So if you want to have a go at some of those, these are all similar. You'll have to use the same process that we've just used. If you want to rewind the video, have a look at the process and have a go at those. So you've got a dividing by 4, a dividing by 3, a dividing by 5, a 7, a 6 and a 2. So if you want to pause the video and you can write those down into your book or on a piece of paper, have a go and let me know how you get on. Okay, right, so we'll see you later.